Calling all females, we have got some exciting news for you. I'm Megan Ethel, MasterCraft team athlete, and I'm excited to share that we are kicking off the season with my favorite MasterCraft campaign, Let Her Rip, powered by Progressive. This campaign is about empowering and inspiring women to build confidence and feel their best, and that starts with getting you out on the water. Our goal this summer is to get as many of you amazing ladies out on the water. Throughout the summer, MasterCraft will be hosting multiple clinics throughout the U.S. with women of all ages to learn how to ride, drive, and progress behind the boat. Stay tuned and keep an eye on our events page and social channels for a list of our events, or head over to mastercraft.com/letherrip to learn more about this campaign. Thank you to MasterCraft Progressive and my other sponsors for continuing to support this initiative and the growth of women in water sports. Whether you can make it to an event or not, make sure to use the hashtag #LetHerRip on Instagram so we can follow you and your achievements. We'll see you on the water.